Next problem. Find the position and nature of the image. Here also the first thing is we take one light ray, right? So this is the positive direction. Object the lens will be taken first step. So this is the point P5 called center, optic center. Now you tell me now object distance how much? -5 centimeters, and focal length concave length, that's why it is a -10. Now we'll find the image distance. So the lens formula, one by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So that is 1 by -10 equal to 1 by v minus or minus plus 1 by 5. So that is 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So 1 by v value -10 minus 1 minus 2. 1 by v is, now this is 3 by 10. So v value how much now? 10 by 3 centimeters. And the magnification which is equal to v by u. So that is m is equal to v value 10 by 3. Here there is no minus now, isn't it? Minus will come here, isn't it? Minus 10 by 3 will come, I think so, isn't it? Minus 10 by 3 by u value how much now? -5. So that is m value will come to be a 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 or 2 by 5. 2 by 3 only, na? 2 by 3. So from this we can talk about the nature now. The nature now here. Yes, virtual, erect, and diminished.